Next, start assembling. First, take out the egg shell. Put it on to check the size. Give a size this bottom shell. Must pay attention. We'll use a hot glue gun, glue stick to glue it on here, but must be careful not to exceed this line. Can only connect it below this part. First, at the center position of the bottom, apply a little glue. Okay, the center of the bottom. Here, align this point. After aligning, turn it over. First, determine the position, just right on the edge of this layer. At the bottom here, absolutely do not glue onto this upper part. Otherwise, later, this position 1T close tightly. At the edge position, spread open the crochet piece like this. Apply a little glue. Then glue it at the parallel position. Here, just cut the glue stick into a slanted edge like this. Then slowly glue. Be careful not to get burned. Using a hot glue gun would be easier to operate. You can pull it slightly like this. At the corresponding position, leave this gap here, the top part. We'll cover all of it because this is recessed from the inside. The outside needs to cover all of it. Same height as this one. Same method. First, apply a little glue on the top part. Put the bottom in. Then turn over. After turning over, first, loosen the crochet piece a bit. Also, at the edge part, can apply glue on this part. But it's prone to leaking out. Screw tight. After screwing tight, the egg is done. The egg assembly method is the same. So here, I'll just use this color to teach everyone to glue them together. Next, assemble the bunny egg bag. 2 eyes and a strand of brown yarn. First, find the first straightened part. after folding it in half. First, find the ear position on this side. On the very top row, stick it here. Stick it on the top of this row. After confirming the position, use the glue stick to apply glue and stick it in this position. Or if you have a hot glue gun, it's even more convenient. Apply a little glue and stick it firmly. The ear on this side is the same operation. After that's done, find the positions for the two eyes. Approximately 4 rows apart, 4 stitches apart. Also connected on the first row. Apply a little glue. After gluing them on, use this yarn to make a mouth for it. At the center position. Then, in the next row, place its mouth here. Leave 2 stitches in the middle. Leave a little yarn tail at the back. Then return to the middle of them. After going inside here, go up to a position close to it on the top. Tie a knot. The yarn tails at the back. Just leave a little bit. The little bunny egg bag is now finished. If you have blushed, you can apply a little blush here. It will look even cuter. Take out an egg.